This time, Zoomex staff, Miss Mai, will come to this channel to show you how to operate Zoomex's trading operations. I will be happy to learn from you directly. Thank you very much for your time. Now please briefly introduce yourself.
This is Zoomex's Mai. Probably most people know it from the duck Twitter icon.
With a very cute duck symbol. So, briefly, what kind of crypto exchange is Zoomex? I am sure there are many people who are wondering what kind of crypto exchange Zoomex is. Please give us a brief description of Zoomex. Yes, Zoomex is a relatively new exchange. It is an exchange specializing in derivatives. I would like to know how to operate Zoomex, and then I would like to know the important points that beginners should pay attention to, and then I would like Miss Mai to teach me the points like this too. Enter my referral code ZX901775. You will receive a whopping 30% discount on transaction fees. Is this offer amazingly special, right?
Among many things, I will be trading for USDT. If you want to change this, you can choose your favorite pair above. Today, I will do it in very simple terms, and we'll do it in Bitcoin. The chart is basically the same, but for 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, real time. It's about the same now, both short and long. Here is the separation. It's set at 1x right now, but I will adjust the leverage. And with segregation, only the margin you use is covered. If you cross, all of your assets become margin, so be careful. If you choose this cross, you will be able to use your own account at Zoomex. All tokens are eligible. All USDTs are eligible. So if they are forcibly settled, for example, they are all gone.
I made a cross at the USDT expiration date and had all my USDT taken away. But if it is BTC and Zoomex, does that mean they won't take it?
Except, basically, you want to hold a position for a long time. Let's set up a separation. Can I leverage up to 150x for Zoomex, BTC, USDT?
Leverage of 125 times is quite common, but 150 times is not so common. Always start with less, such as 10 times, 2 times, 3 times, etc.
Today I will use market orders. With a market order, you can buy at the last traded price,
now shown here in green?
The best price available within this exchange, which is the market right now. Although execution is guaranteed, the price is not. So the price at which you can buy may vary depending on the market.
I see.
With a plug price, you can buy at any price you want. For example, if you want to buy at this price, no order will be placed until it reaches the price. For example now, today at USDT. Let's convert. I will go with the order price. At random, short 100 USDT. So you get the order quantity. The available balance is the USDT in my account. When you trade, you can also set up profit and loss limits. For example, I'll leave it at this 50%, 25% just by tapping this. You can easily place an order to take profit when the price reaches $3,008.
It is very safe.
Or to cut it off when the price goes to $19,000. Let's short circuit it this time. This will give you accurate information. Order quantity, order cost, how much leverage, confirmation. The order is placed immediately because it is a market order. It is shown in the position section. It hasn't moved at all yet. If you press all orders, you will see all your current positions and order history displayed for active orders. If any pending orders, history of realized gains, losses. You can see it here. I could see my bad grades.
Everything in OIC.
Everything can be found here. It's very easy. Even a beginner can understand it. Now, let's settle. When you want to settle, click the settlement button. You can choose whether to settle at the market price or specify your own price. I want to settle now, so this confirms it. Closed short position. I'm in with an order.
I see. I understand very well.
In the case of derivatives, it is quite simple. If they are closed, they are all settled.
Thank you. I will be watching this video again and again. Beginners in crypto trading should review this video again and again to learn.
The initial download may be crossed. Since this is your first time, please change the settings to separate and save the file with lower leverage. You can choose not to show this confirmation screen, but the confirmation screen is basically a checkbox. It may not appear later, and you may have made a confirmation error. For limit orders, there is this post only. Post only. This means that sometimes there are cases where the price should have come out at the Sting price, but it is not. For example, if an order is placed at a higher price than the current market price, it will be processed at the market price. Post only prevents this from happening. Then, if you press this post only button, it will tell you that you can't submit the order. If you put it in post only, the order will already be completely filled with the numbers you entered.
I did not know that. It is an amazing point.
I ordered by mistake because there is no... For example, here cancellation is complete. You should always put a check mark in the box for the Sting value.
I see. Everyone, please be sure to put a check mark in the post-only box under long short when you place a Sting order.
And then, I guess there's this. Shows all positions. Right now there's nothing out there, but right now, for example, there's quite a bit of this USDT indefinite. There are roughly 200 different types. For example, let's say I had a maniacal position in this area. Then I went back to BTC. If this is not checked, you will only see BTC orders. So if you press here, it will show you all the positions you have and you won't miss a thing.
Thank you very much. It is very informative.
You'll see if you actually do the deal. Easy to use platform, perfect for beginners.
It is very easy to start trading crypto. Opening an account is very easy, and the fact that KYC is not required is a key point. This is a major attraction of this Zoomex. Anonymity is protected.
What does it mean for an exchange to require KYC?
Please make sure
Do you all
it
understand?
properly. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you very much. There are very few opportunities to learn directly from the staff of a crypto exchange. This time I was able to make it happen after much negotiation. Thank you very much for this precious opportunity.
They are on Twitter and Telegram to distribute the latest news. Please follow them. Subscribe to channel. Please follow us on social networking sites. Please help me grow this channel. Thank you so much for watching today. See you again in the next video.